In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable link to your TikTok bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to your TikTok profile. After that, we need to tap at Edit Profile. And that's where we can easily find bio. If we tap Add Bio, we'll be able to enter a URL here. Let's say google.com. We can save it. But if we head over to our profile, we can find out that the URL is not clickable. We cannot follow this link by tapping on it. The only way to add a clickable link to TikTok bio is first off get 1,000 followers. You need to have 1,000 followers or more. After that, we'll be able to hit at Edit Profile and the website option will appear in your Edit Profile section. And that's where we can add clickable link. In the same way, we can just enter a URL here, google.com, and then hit save. And that URL will be clickable. It will be added right here, just under your TikTok bio, and then we can tap at that link to follow it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.